Hear that? That's the sound of weak drills getting replaced. What if I told you one of these cordless beasts outperforms $500 models at half the price? We torque tested, battery drained, and abuse tested the top 2025 models to find the real best cordless drill. The winner? It made our pro contractors switch brands. All purchase links below. Let's find your perfect drill match. Number 1. DeWalt 20V MAX XR Cordless Drill. Complete challenging projects with up to 40% more UWO versus the DCD791B using DCBP034 DeWalt Power Stack battery, sold separately. Access hard TO reach work areas, compact 6.37 inches. Size is half an inch. Shorter in length compared to the DCD791, tool head only. High bit retention with half an inch. Metal ratcheting chuck. Pro-level speed, control, and precision, high-speed transmission with variable trigger and 2 speed settings, 0-650/0-2000 RPM. Bright and dark work areas, adjustable 3-position, 3-mode LED with up to 70 lumens, including LED spotlight mode which features a 20-minute shut-off function for extended work time and low-light spaces. Design TO help you get more done with optimized performance and runtime. Manage and track tools at the job site. Drill/driver chip pocket accepts Tool Connect chip DCE042 and connects with Tool Connect Site Manager app for seamless worksite asset management. DCE042 sold separately. Number 2. DeWalt XTREME 12V MAX XR Cordless Drill. DCD701-12V MAX brushless 3/8-inch drill/driver has 32% more power when using DCB122 2.0Ah battery versus DCD710 drill/driver using 1.3Ah battery. DCD701-12V MAX brushless 3/8-inch drill driver is 20% shorter ***. Brushless motor for efficient performance in runtime. 3/8-inch. Ratcheting chuck for a wide variety of bits. 2-speed transmission and 15 clutch settings for a variety of applications. LED footlight for superior visibility. Lightweight at 1.9 pounds, tool only. Kit with 2.0Ah batteries with state of charge indicator. Number 3. BOSCH PS31-2A 12V MAX. Lightweight design, weighs only 1.80 pounds for all-day comfort and ease of use during extended tasks. Compact power, best performance to size ratio in its class, making it ideal for tight spaces and hard-to-maneuver tasks. Short head length, features a 7-inch head length for enhanced maneuverability in confined areas. High torque output, delivers a maximum torque of 265 lbs for powerful performance in various applications. Variable speed settings, 2 speed settings, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1300 RPM, allow users to match speed to specific tasks. Precision torque control, equipped with 20+1 clutch settings for more precise torque adjustments and reduced fastener damage. Secure bit holding, single sleeve, 3/8-inch 3-jaw chuck securely holds bits for reliable performance. Integrated LED light, built-in LED light illuminates dark workspaces for improved visibility during use. Number 4. Makita XT269M 18V. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. The BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM to the changing demands of the application. Variable 2-speed 1/2-inch hammer driver drill, 0-500 and 0 to 2000 RPM, with BL brushless motor delivers 530 pounds of max torque, weighs only 4.2 pounds, with battery. Variable speed impact driver, 0 to 3400 RPM and 0 to 3600 IPM, with BL brushless motor delivers 1500 pounds of max torque, weighs only 3.3 pounds, with battery. Number 5. DeWalt 20V MAX XR Cordless. DeWalt built high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. The DCD998 hammer drill has 3 speeds, high performance, all-metal transmission to optimize tool-to-task for fast application speeds and improved runtime for drilling and masonry materials. Heavy-duty 1/2-inch ratcheting nitrocarbized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength. 3-mode LED provides lighting in dark or confined spaces up to 20x brighter than previous model. LED spotlight mode features 20-minute shut-off function allowing for extended work time in dark or confined spaces. So which drill earned your trust? Sound off in the comments, I respond to everyone. Hammer that like button if we saved you from a bad buy, share with your DIY squad, and subscribe for more no BS tool battles. Want these game-changing drills? All links are in the description. Now get out there and build something legendary.